among the audience, ex-Chief Minister Luigi Falero, Reginaldo ex-MLA, ex-MLA Damu, and my ladies and gentlemen. It is both the privilege and honor to stand before you today at this auspicious launch of the Global Goan Association. As the Chief Minister of Goa, I am deeply moved by a remarkable journey that has led us to the momentous occasion. The journey marked by the resilience, integrity and unwavering spirit of Goan worldwide. First and foremost, I wish to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the global Goan and NRI Goans, whose invaluable contributions have been cornerstones of the Goan's economy and cultural prosperity. Your achievement and sacrifice have not only elevated our state on the global stage, but have also brought the pride and honor to every Goan heart. Your hard work and dedication across the various corners of the globe are a testament to the indomitable Goan spirit. Today, we stand united, celebrating the success and achievement of the Goan globally. Your success stories in diverse fields has far-flung the nation. It resonates with the enduring legacy for our homeland. You are the ambassadors of our culture and the harbinger of our traditions and architect of our global identity. At the heart of our gathering in men whose vision and relentlessly efforts have been instrumental in bringing together is Mr. Simon De Silva. His dedication and leadership have been pivotal in uniting the Goan under the common banner. Simon, and your hard work has not only bridged the distance, but also kindled and the spirit of unity and cooperation among the Goan worldwide. Your efforts and orchestrating the relief during the pandemic and advocating for the rights of the Goan in abroad have set the benchmark for the community service and leadership. Looking towards the future, I see the bright horizon for a Goan illuminated by the collective strength and unity of the Goan worldwide. If we community come together, uniting our hearts and minds, there is no limit to that and we can achieve our beloved state. The synergy of our efforts can usher in a new era of the development, prosperity and cultural reassurance of Goa. As we embark on this new chapter, I urge every Goan, and whether in your homeland or across the sea, to join hands with the Global Goan Association. This platform is not just an organization, it is a moment of confluencing of our dreams, aspirations and collective will. Your participation and support are the crucial in shaping the future of Goa, in ensuring that our state continue to thrive not just economically, but as the beacon of the culture, heritage and communal harmony. आणि परत एकदा आम्ही जसे म्हटलंय बाप सायमन आणि परत परत सांगलो आपलो स्लोगन एज बर पोटा खातीर आम्ही ग्लोबली गेले आणि घडे कदाचित आमचे पोट भरले पण परत एकदा आमकां माणकुल्या गोंयांत आमकां परत एकदा येन दिसता आमकां तीच उमळशीक कदाचित 2 जनरेशनां पयलीं सोडला आसतलें बट परतूय आमकां गोंयांत येवपाचो मोग आसा कारण आमकां गोंया विशीं मोग आसा त्या सगळ्या गोंयकारां खातीर म्हाका दिसता एडवोकेट कालूस उलयता आसतना एडवोकेट नरेंद्र उलयता आसतना इधर dual citizenship, either surrendering of the passport, either the OCI card. There are the different issues. But at present, we are pursuing that with the government of India. But definitely, for last 60 years, for last at least for the 40-50 years, no one has think. But now, Simon, you have taken the leadership, and we, the government, is following this matter with the government of India. हाजेर सोल्यूशन काडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा जेन्ना आमच्या एखाद्या गोंयकाराक जो ओरिजिनली गोंयकार आसा जशें म्हटलें की परत एकदां तेंच घर बांदून केन्ना तरी रावपाक थंय येवपाची ताची इच्छा आसा ताका परत एकदां रावपाक मेळपाक जाय ताच्या जनरेशनांतल्या कोणाक तरी जर येवन दिसलो जाल्यारूय गोंयांत येवन वचपाक मेळपाक जाय तितकी आपुलकाय गोंया कडेन तुमी दवरपाक जाय आनी दवरपाक सोदता हें पळोवनूय मनाक खूब बरें दिसलें. नेक्स्ट थिंग रिगार्डिंग आमी पळयता की लँड ग्रॅब मॅटर. There is so much property which is grabbed by so many people, but after the formation of SIT land grab, I think at least 90% had stopped now. हाज्या पयलीं कशाय पद्दतीन प्रॉपर्टी कोणायची प्रॉपर्टी कोणूय विकतालो 90% तरी बंद जाल्या. म्हाका दिसता हाज्या फुडें ते कंप्लिटली 100% बंद जावपाक देर शूड बी द कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन अस. सो देर आर so many issues. So Simon will take the initiatives through the Global Goan Association and our NRI commissions and the government. Any issues of our originally Goan who is staying in the wherever in the globe, definitely we will take that issue. We will try to resolve, okay, with the government of Goa and also with the government of India. हांव परत एकदा म्हणजे तुमकां सगळ्यांक आयच्या ह्या ग्लोबल गोवन एसोसिएशन जे फॉर्म केले तेची फर्स्ट स्टेप खूब कमी जाण काय आसना हांगासर घडये कदाचित अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 60 to 70 people, but we have traveled all the way from the different part of the country. मग खूप ऐकून बरें दिसलें. All the way our ladies friends, gents were traveling. I think तेंच्यांनी 8-10 वरां ट्रॅव्हल केला आसतलें बिकॉज ऑफ दीस फंक्शन ओनली. हांव मनापासून तुमचे खूब खूब वेलकम यू ऑल ऑफ यू बिहाफ ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा, बिहाफ ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. बिकॉज एक आस्त आसा, एक मोग आसा गोंयचो म्हणून तुमी ट्रॅव्हल केले. इतके पयस ग्लोबल गोवन एसोसिएशन ज्याचें फॉर्मेशन करपा खातीर तुमी मुद्दामून गोंयांत आयले. आय थिंक त्या खातीरय तुमकां परत एकदा वेलकम करता. आनी नरेंद्रान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे आमी ग्लोबली जरी खंय असले आमच्या काळजांत गोंय आसा आनी त्या गोंया खातीर जर कितें करपाक मेळ्ळें जाल्यार डेफिनेटली तुमचो एक हात फुडें आसतलो गोंया खातीर करपाक. त्याच पद्दतीन तुमच्या खातीर कितें करपाची संद मेळ्ळी जाल्यार गोवा गव्हर्मेंट डेफिनेटली वील गिव यू हँड इन फ्युचर ऑल्सो. त्या खातीर आयच्या ग्लोबल गोवन एसोसिएशन हाका हांव बेस्ट विशीस दिता. तुमच्या सगळ्याक इन फ्युचर प्रोग्राम्स आतांच बाब सायमन सांगतलो की इन फ्युचर वील ऑर्गनायज वन कन्वेन्शन इन UK. माझें तर म्हणणें आसा की इन फ्युचर वील ऑर्गनायज वन कन्वेन्शन इन द नेक्स्ट इयर इन गोवा. So definitely we'll call this one, we'll plan and along with the Global Goan Association तुमच्याच बरोबर मेळून so that आमी टार्गेट करपाक शकतले. वेगवेगळे गोवन आमचे खंय खंय आसा तांकां इन्वायट करपाक शकतले. Then the different field, different sectors, okay, they are great achievements. ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक एका बेजाराच्या सकयल आफून we can have the convention for the 1 day or 2 days in Goa itself first. Then we can do the different convention in a different country that will help for the Goan in future also. Once again, my best wishes for the Global Goan Associations. Thank you.